Welcome along to my old lights. I wasn't going to do a video today, but I was just organising things. I've got stuff everywhere, and I thought while I'm organising, it might be an interesting video for people. I've got a couple of boxes here full of old festoon light bulbs. Cost of living means you can't really run them too often anymore, but I'm just going through all these boxes and seeing what we've got in them. I've just been going through and found a load of Pygmy bulbs in satisfying corrugated cardboard boxes, and the ones that you can't see the colour on, I've just been adding adenota on, so letter R for red. I did find something amusing though. One of these Osram packets. In one of these Osram packets, it's an amber bulb, or so you think. There's no bulb holder. It's just the glass on its own. Bonkers. Just got to be careful not to lose the tip of my finger getting it out. Which way are you gonna go? I think I'll leave that in there just for safety purposes. But here's an old Osram packet. Pygmy bulb. Please switch off the electricity before changing the bulb. Nah, we're good. Made in Great Britain to the highest standards of safety and performance. Okay then. Excuse the dirty fingernails. Again, I always seem to have dirty fingernails on my videos and in the Christmas light videos. If you're not aware, I have another channel. It's called Vintage Christmas Lights UK. I post regular, once a week, post Christmas light videos. If you're not into watching long form stuff, I've got a load of shorts on there. I edit the videos into shorts. Links are all below. But let's continue and see what we find. Another green bulb. You're gonna focus. Barely see what that is. I can't even read what that says myself. Crompton. It's a Crompton Pygmy bulb. There's another Phillips. Oh, I know where that one goes. It'll be for this box here. This one's bulbless. So we shall put this one back in its home. So yeah, this channel, I set it up on a whim. Mainly because I didn't really want to populate the Christmas light channel with non-Christmas light stuff. I thought it makes sense to have a separate channel for the old lights that I've got. I don't have a massive collection of old lights, but it might be of interest to someone. And when I say old lights, I mean I do like street lights, but I only have like one street light. Just an SOX low pressure sodium. It's just a Phillips. I think it's a 35 watt. I used to have other stuff, but I had to get rid of it because I had nowhere to put it, unfortunately. Luckily it went to somebody else who's into this kind of thing, but I've lost touch with that person now, so I don't know what they've got on the go or what's come of my old stuff. But I've got a lot of bulkhead lights, some spotlights. They're all old, they've not been touched for years, they've been salvaged, and we'll have a look at them in their current state, and then we'll do a little refurb video maybe down the line. But at the moment I've got, these, I was going to do this for the Christmas light channel, but I thought, even though they are festoon lights, they're more industrial, and I thought I'll do them on the My Old Lights channel. So, another Crompton bulb. Well, that's a chunky boy. It's a non-brand. Don't know. Oh, that's a nice blue one. So if you like stuff like this, consider subscribing. And I'll try and put videos like this up every now and again with a nice amber bulb. No idea if these work. I've had these for a very, very long time, and I've only just had a chance to go through stuff. Now I've got a place to put them. Hey, this is a Crompton packet. Come on, sign lamp. Again, you don't see buildings with these on anymore. You used to get festoon lighting with Pygmy bulbs up around above pub billboards where the names are and around the borders. But you don't get things like this anymore. Mainly because they don't last very long. They're not very energy efficient. And LED's taking over. As much as I like LED, you can't beat a bit of old school. But you can't be changing the bulbs all the time. Does this one actually have anything written on it? Oh, we've got a little something. Come on. Give the end a little clean up. See if we can see anything. 15 watt. Not sure. I'll put them. Hold on, I'll put it the right way up. I'll put that one in there for now, just so it's safe. There's another red one. Because it's not written on the box, I'm just marking it. Seem to have a lot of red bulbs at the moment. A green. I've no idea what I'll use these for. I've got festoon strings that I can use. It's just finding the opportunity. Got a lot of things to sort out first. I've got some building work on the go. Bit of satisfying packing paper. There's a red one. Excuse the odd filming angle. Or again, I wasn't expecting on filming a video today, but I thought, right, I'll get a new channel on the go and I'll upload this. Don't think there'll be much of an upload schedule on this channel. It'll just be as and when I've got the chance to upload stuff. There we go. I'm going to see if we've got any more Pygmy bulbs. And this is the only other bulb I could find so far. Of a Osram 15 watt. No idea if it works. You know what? I'm going to go and get a test light. Let's go find out. There's the test light. This has been approved safe by no one. Right, there's our test rig. There you go. It works a treat. Nice and bright. I don't know how well that shows up on camera. It looks a bit pink from your perspective, but from my perspective, this is a glorious warm red. So that one works. We've got a few other bulbs lying around. We might as well test them. This one works. This one actually has a lot of paint fade, and you can just about see the filament inside flickering away. It's flickering for me, but it might not for you. Get it out before it gets too hot. Seen better days, but it works. It's good. Let's test this one. Oh, that is a lovely red colour. That is a really deep, dark red. Fantastic. Let's have a bit of green. Ooh, that's a lime green. You can actually see the bulb paint, the way it's applied. I don't know if a machine does that. or did that in the factory. I think I'll have that as a thumbnail. Oh, that one's a bit warm. And then this one, again, it's like a, looks white from the camera's perspective. It is green, it's more of a pastel green. Again, a lot of imperfections, but we don't care about such things. Should we light up the lonesome blue? Go on then, while we're here, when in Rome. Let's see how glorious you are. Oh, that is a fantastic blue. It's almost a purpley blue. Looks absolutely fantastic. But I can't find any more Pygmy bulbs, so we'll leave it there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the kind of thing you're interested in, going through old boxes of bulbs, I've got a plethora of old bulbs that I've got lying around. I've got, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm surrounded by 5 boxes right now. Don't think we'll be lighting this boy up. I think we might need to give him a little bit of love. But we've got LED bulbs lying around. And then we've got lots of these big boys. Probably should do this on another video, but see if it works. There you go, fantastic. But anyway, if this is the kind of thing you like, why not consider subscribing? Drop a like if you like it, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you on the next one.